In this section, we're going to now update the executive summary. So the executive summary has 4 components, which is going to be the food truck summary. You just want to go ahead and summarize what your food truck's going to do and what you're going to offer. Your target market, who are you going to be selling your products or services to? Your financial highlights, how much money are you going to make over the next 1 to 2 years? And then the funding request, how much money do you need to get this party started? For the financial highlights and for the funding request, you do need to go ahead and have your financial model complete, and I will be touching on that later on in the video or in a separate video. So I'll show you where to pull that information from, but again, you do need to watch that other video in order to see how I fill out those. All right, so let's go ahead and start at the top. And so you get the executive summary, you're going to want to leave that there. Food truck summary, you're going to want to leave that there as well. You're going to go ahead and put your company name. I'm going to go ahead and put ABC Food Truck. And then you're going to want to put, is it going to be a limited liability company, limited liability corporation? You're going to need to decide what it's going to be, what the legal structure is going to be. I'm going to leave it as a limited liability company. And then you're going to want to go ahead and put your city and state. And I'm going to go ahead and put in Orlando, Florida. Next is going to be our business owners will be. And so you're going to go ahead and put your name in here, and I'll put mine in there. And then what you want to do is if there's more than one owner, then you're going to want to go ahead and change the verbiage on this, the verb tense. And so we're going to go ahead and put it as our business owner will be Dr. Paul Borosky. It's only one owner, so we don't need that S in there. Our food truck will serve popular menu items such as, and then you're going to put your top 3 menu items. And so for my top 3 menu items, I'm going to go ahead and go with a hamburger. And then we'll go with a hot dog. Why not? And then finally, we'll go with French fries. All right, so once we're done with the paragraph, what I'd like to do is get rid of the highlights. So I'll go ahead and highlight all of that good stuff right there, and then I'll go ahead and get rid of the highlight. And the next section is going to be your target market. Your target market is who are you going to target? Who's going to be your customer? And also, where with the food trucks, it's a little bit different with the food truck because you also want to show or state where you're going to be located as well. So for this right here, our primary target market will be visitors. So that's who's going to be buying our food or our products or services. To food truck visitors to food truck caravans, as well as individual corporations. Another target market is going to be the corporations seeking food truck catering services. The financial highlights, this is where we're going to pull in the financial model. So financial projections are based on market research and empirical examination of the food truck industry. All this is saying is you went out, you did a little bit of research on the internet, and this is what you found. The next is going to be for the next year, we project revenues of approximately $463,000. The estimated cost will be $321,000, and after tax, we estimate a net profit of $106,000. So where you're going to find that is you're going to go to your financial model, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your projection section. You're going to click on your projections tab, and you're going to look at these first 3 numbers right here. And so if we move this over or move it down, move this up, and then let's go ahead and pull up the financial model. All right. So now what you're going to be able to see is you've got your annual revenues, $463,000. That is aligned with this number right here. And then if you look at your cost, your annual cost right here, $321,000, that is aligned with the second number. And then your net profit is aligned with your third number. And for the financial model, I'll just touch on this very briefly. Anytime you update any information in here, all your financial statements will update automatically. So you do want to finish your model first. Again, it's in a separate video or a little bit later on in this video. And then you want to go ahead and go to the tab and pull those first 3 numbers out. All right. And the next part right here, the last part, is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? And you're going to pull that also off of your financial model on an information tab. Startup cost right here. You're going to go ahead and fill out this information. And once you fill out all of your startup costs, you're going to have a total right here, and that's the number that you're going to want to use right here. So the starting operations funding of $200,000 in debt or equity from a bank or investor. The debt funding is expected to have a term of 8 to 12 years, and you can put whatever term you want. If you're going to be borrowing the money for 30 years, well, then put 25 to 30 years. If it's going to be 10 years, then 8 to 12 years is good. If you're only borrowing the money for 5 years, then put 5 years. That's going to be your term. And then again, also put a range for your interest rate. Is it going to be 4 to 8%, 8 to 12%, or so on? And then finally, the rest of the information you kind of want to leave where it is. Principal and interest payments will be made monthly using the profits of the business. If that's not true, then state however you're going to be making your payments. If it is true, keep it the way it is. For investors, a negotiated percentage of ownership in the food truck will be offered. And also, after the second year profitability, investors will be compensated through semi-annual dividend payments from the business cash flow. If all that information is correct, then leave it. If you're not sure, well, what this does right here is it gives you a broad, it gives you something broad to say, hey, look, these are the possibilities of how we're going to be paying these funds back. It also covers debt as well as equity or an investor. So if you're not sure which way you're going to be going with your funding, I wouldn't change too much of that. I just change how much money you need to borrow. If you're going to be taking a loan, change the term, and then also put your interest rate range. All right, hopefully that information is helpful, and let's go ahead and move to the next section. And hopefully you all found this information helpful. Again, Dr. Paul Borosky here, owner of Quality Business Plan. And if you like what you saw and you want to go ahead and purchase the business plan template with the financial model, just click on the link below. And if you want some more details or you want to do a little bit of reading on how to write a food truck business plan as well as the startup of food truck business, check out my Food Truck Business All-in-One Handbook on Amazon and go out and make a little bit of money.